Hi Matt, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. We spoke on the phone about the vehicle to my right. It should look familiar, our Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG. We talked about a video tour. Today we're going to walk around the exterior and interior of this vehicle, give you a detailed close-up look at the car and its condition and walk around. It's a beautiful car. Love the polar white. The saddle brown interior is one of my favorite interiors. We've got our night package, so Distronic package, that's the adaptive cruise control night package. Our black accents, but you can see LED headlights, front bumper, all the way across. Everything looks fabulous, super clean. We'll go around all the wheels, all the sides of the vehicle. Everything looks great. First wheel here, these are 21-inch AMG wheels, and you can see all the way around that wheel edge. Very clean, no damage. That's the front driver's side wheel. Turbo 4MATIC badging, black mirror housings. We've got black along our lower window trim and satin black roof rails as well. We can get a nice look at those. All the body lines look great. Body lines down the car look great. We'll give you a nice view kind of looking back from the rear. So our rear driver's side wheel, same thing, all the way around the edge, looks clean, no curb rash, no scratches, looks awesome. Around the back, we have nice body lines going down. We've got wraparound LED tail lights, AMG GLE 43, a little bit of scratching on our chrome load sill guard, normal with use in a vehicle, stuff going in and out of the trunk, that's what gets used the most, but it protects the beautiful paint. Parking sensors down below, factory trailer hitch, dual tipped exhaust, all part of that black from that night package. GLE 43 badging, tail lights look great. Around to the passenger side, rear passenger wheel, all the way around that wheel edge. Edge looks great, it's intact. No curb rash, no scratches on that wheel. Along the body, everything looks nice, everything looks clean, good body lines all the way down. Black, I said, black mirror housings, roof rails. Coming up to the front, last wheel, front passenger side wheel, all the way around the edge. Wheel looks good, nice and clean, a little bit dirty, but other than that, no problem at all. It's a beautiful car. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Starting with the rear cargo area. Cargo cover, pulled open, looks nice and clean, easily moves, nice and smooth. We do have a WeatherTech cargo tray here, but underneath that, our carpet. Open up our rear hatch. We've got our jack, our spare wheel. Vehicle comes with wheel locking bolts, so if I'll put this down, and we've got our wheel locking bolts right there, as well as our first aid kit. We'll walk around to the rear seats of the vehicle. Here we see the beginning of our saddle brown. We see carbon fiber trim starting on the door panel. Beautiful saddle brown upholstery, but the interior looks very clean. No, scratches or scrapes or tears in that rear leather. Headliner looks nice and clean. We'll move forward too and take a look at the driver and passenger seat, but we do have all-weather floor mats back there as well. Here on the door, more carbon fiber. We'll see that all the way across the dashboard. Driver and passenger seats also in great condition. Again, no major tears. A little bit of, you can see in the seats, everything looks great. The bolsters even look nice still. We've got a flat bottom, thicker bolstered AMG steering wheel, all leather. It's such a gorgeous interior. I love that saddle brown top stitch over the dash, matching the interior seats. It looks absolutely wonderful. Let's take a closer look at the driver's seat, talk about a few more options. Taking a closer look at the driver and passenger seat, we got more carbon fiber screen here for our navigation, radio, media, heated seats, dual zone climate control. We do have our cooled and heated cup holders, ashtray here, 83,037 miles currently on the odometer. Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, Drive settings. It's a beautiful car, super clean. Parking sensors up front on the dash and along the rear as well. And then up top, our panoramic roof, two big pieces of glass, and then that screen cover there closes your front and rear sunshades. So wanted to put together just a quick video tour of the car. If you have any questions, 207-210 4796 is my cell phone. Thanks for watching, Matt. Hope you enjoyed.